Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm back with another review. I got the Balenciaga Trooper Boots in the black colorway. So this is gonna be kind of a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go over the sizing and show you a little bit how it looks on foot. But before we get started, just drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. So these boots come in the standard Balenciaga box with the logo on the front. Once you open up the box, each boot comes in a separate dust bag. So the first thing you notice about this boot is the weight. When I saw these online, I really didn't expect them to be this heavy, but they are pretty heavy. It's made out of a TPU or rubber material. So if you look at the boot, you can see there's no attachments to it, like the sole isn't attached or anything. It's all just one solid piece. And I think that's what makes the boot so unique. The only real attachment you can see is like one seam that runs throughout the boot in the center. I'll try to get it on the B-roll, but it's really not that noticeable. So into the toe box, it has a squared off toe design. And if you look at it from the side, it kind of curls up, which I'm usually not a fan of, but I don't mind that much on this boot. One thing you might notice is that there's a sharp angle right here at the toe box. You kind of do feel it when you're wearing the boot, but it's not that bad. So into the sole of the boot, it is a chunky sole. This is where majority of the weight comes in. It's a lot more solid down here than it is on the top of the boot. So into the outsole, it is a pretty aggressive traction pattern, and it has the Balenciaga logo in the center. Back up to the top of the boot, you can see the opening is pretty wide. On the inside, it does have the Balenciaga logo, Trooper, your sizing information, and Made in Italy printed on the side of the boot. On the insole, it does have one Balenciaga logo. So let's talk about the sizing a little bit. Balenciagas do run big in general. These boots come in full sizes only, so I would suggest sizing down at least one. I'm a 9.5 and I went with an 8 in this, and they fit perfectly. So if you're gonna pick these up, do size down at least one. Yo, what's good, guys? So kind of want to give you a better idea what it looks like on foot. I was about to leave the crib, so let me throw them on with these pants. I am still in the cast, so I could only show you on one foot. But here I got them with the needles track pants. And then what I did was tuck them in, so it kind of gives off a different silhouette. And then if you look from the side, you can see what I mentioned about it curving up. But it's really not that bad. So when I picked these up, these were only available in black, but it does look like they'll be releasing a brown and a green version of this. In my opinion, the black version is still the best one. It's more of a matte black finish, which I think goes really well with the design of the boot, and the color looks a lot better in person. So the one con about this boot, I did see people say that it scuffs easily, but I haven't really wore them out yet, so I can't confirm that. So just keep that in mind when you're picking these up. These boots are kind of hard to come by right now, but they retail for $6.95 US. Personally, I like these a lot better than the Crocodile, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. If I was able to help in any way, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.